Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I'd just like to welcome everybody to the first Undercover Millionaires Wealth Academy video as part of the Millionaires Vision, which is part of module number one. And we're going to start with profit clarity. And the main idea behind profit clarity is to say that the clarity that you have on the vision that you want to fulfill in your business or in your career to become a millionaire is directly linked to your power or your level of control over your destiny. And the aim of the game is to say that I started when I was 16. I basically wrote a letter to Mr. Sir Richard Branson, and I told him clearly in my letter to him that I want to change people's lives, and by changing people's lives, I knew that it would be directly linked to a successful financial future for myself. So the key thing that I picked up there was the fact that I wrote it down. So when it comes to vision, ladies and gentlemen, make sure that you write down what you think is going to happen in your life, or what you desire to happen in your life, because if you don't write it down, you don't actually remember anything that you want to do. So it has been proven scientifically that if you write things down, especially if you take notes when you attend seminars like the ones that I host, or you write down a journal, a daily diary or some sort, you basically record about 80% of that information that is stuck in your subconscious mind, and as well as your 80% of your subconscious mind is in charge of your intelligence or your level of understanding things. So we use about 10% of our brain power, but then they say the subconscious mind has an infinite amount of information that it can store, and it can call and use it as and when it needs to. So the aim of the game is to say, write things down, make sure that you've got a clear understanding and idea from start to finish. It has to be logical. It has to make sense. And primarily, how do you do that is observation. When you're an entrepreneur, you basically define it as a person who sees the current economical situation or environment that they are in, and they assess that and see a lack or a need that people need to be catered for when it comes to doing something that is business related. So for instance, if we look at an example like Uber basically saw the need for people to have access to transportation as and when they need it, and basically they've approached people who already own cars. So it's the first taxi company and the largest taxi company that doesn't own any taxis. So what they did is they approached people who want to volunteer their vehicles in exchange for getting paid for driving people around, and all they did was design an app. And basically the app was the solution to the problem that people had, which was to basically find a safe, secure, fast and reliable transportation system that could be accessed from anywhere, and especially for people who travel around the world, it's a huge benefit. I look forward to many people who are out there in Undercover Millionaires Wealth Academy who can come up with ideas which are basically an opportunity that they find in the market, and they see a gap and they try and devise a technology-based system which can cater to people's needs. And I guess after being a person who was writing to Sir Richard Branson, my vision can only be fulfilled through execution. So execution is a key part of your clarity, and you can have clarity and you have vision. You can write things down, but unless you act on them or execute on them on a daily and consistent basis, you'll never have the power. So that's the one thing that you need to take from this video is there's a few things that you need to consider before venturing into business. Have a clear vision, write it down, approach people who are like-minded, observe your environment, and find gaps and needs that people need to solve through your solution. And my big advice after this video is technology is the way to go. If you build a mobile app or you build a website, find someone who can. If you can't, learn. You can go online. And as part of this course, there is a part where we're going to teach you guys how to register a website, how to register a business, how to build a website, and how to build a company. So that's a video regarding clarity and power. Thank you very much. God bless.